battery life, but we'll find out. Alright, put the battery back in. There we go. And see if it powers on. I guess not. Okay, let me see what the voltage is, and I'm going to plug in my universal adapter. This is usually 18.5, but let's see. So here we go. So it supports actually multiple 19 volt, 18.5, and yeah. So let's see what adapter fits. We got all of these. Let's see here. It's probably gonna use one of these. Oh, it uses the large one. Okay. Get rid of that. And then we'll grab the large connector. I believe it's this one. Make sure. Yep. Alright. So let me make sure my thing's set at 19 volts. And it is. Plug it in. And we'll power it on. Alright. So you can see it's probably upside down. But it's starting. It didn't complain about the fan. And there we go. So that's how you disassemble the computer and repair the fan. Alright. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks. Bye.